I'd like to give you a report on the progress of the LAMM Campus project. The work is continuing to go forward. It's being built on just outside of Apizaco in a little community that really has the name of Huacalcingo. And of course, it's just right on the edge of Apizaco. And it's a little bit of a rural community. There's building up around it, but still there's, you hear chickens and they graze some horses and cows right around where our property is. I would have a few prayer requests that I'd like to share with you before I show you a few pictures. One is that this project would be a powerful tool in the hands of God. We would like to see what's happening here as a base that would really bless the nations of the world. There's so many places around the world that do not have the gospel, do not have a church planted, and God is raising up Latin American and Mexican workers to take the gospel into these places. And so we would like to see this campus to be a base and a tool in the hands of God to really bless the nations. Also, we would like to see it bless the community and the churches and the church community that are in the area. And we hope that it will be something that can serve the churches that are being raised up and help them to really fulfill the Great Commission. And also, I'd like you to pray for the resources in order to take this project forward. The resources that we have will just get us down the road a little ways, but we're going to be needing a lot more resources in order to take it to where it's being useful. So anyway, I'll take you and show a few pictures, just take a minute. But we're working on the foundation, and it seems like the foundation takes a lot of energy and resources. And just like in our Christian walk, the foundations are very important. Once the foundations are put in, then the walls and what you really looks like as a building is not nearly as much work as the foundation is. So anyway, let's take a look. As you can see here, the foundation has been started for what I call the perimeter wall. Right now it's going about a third of the way around the property as the first part. There's 3 buildings that are planned that will share walls with the perimeter wall, and so anyway, will all be tied together. There's these columns that are all made out of rebar, and they've been placed into concrete bases. Then between these columns, there will be another rebar structure that will be poured with cement, and on top of that, the walls will be put up. Okay, so anyway, there's still a lot of work to be done, and we've had some obstacles with a lot of heavy rains in the last week or so that's caused some difficulties, but the work's going forward, and we ask that you would pray that God would use this for His glory. Thank you.